we've given TNS 2 goals on Friday. I feel we've given Fflint 2 goals tonight, and that just can't continue to happen. Got a lot of young lads in there, but they've got to realise quickly that it's men's football, and we're here to win. We've got to try and win, and we've got to try and, especially on a derby day, try and go after Fflint and get a result. And yes, first half wasn't good enough. I think a lot of people have given us credit for playing well in the second half against TNS, but the game of football is 90 minutes, and the lads have to realise that very quickly. But that aside, removing my frustration, I've got to be happy, because I think the lads who came on off the bench especially were absolutely outstanding, every single one of them. Zelly, Franks, Bratz, and obviously Jack Kenny. And a question was put to Jack Kenny on Friday to go and play for our reserves on Friday night, because he wasn't going to be in the squad against TNS, and he went and he scored 2 goals. And the byproduct of doing that is coming on today and scoring 2 goals, and I fully believe that's how football works, and Jack's proven that, and he's a great character around the dressing room. He's a good player, and yeah, it's just really good to get a win, especially with Jack scoring the 2 goals.
Yeah, it was like a game for 2 halves for us. First half, you know, that wasn't us. I don't think that was us. We started quite sloppy, and that's probably a byproduct of Friday, going again such a short period of time. But you know, this has made some changes at half time, and it's worked, and we've come out firing, and luckily I managed to get myself on the score sheet. But
well, I'm not worried about how the team are performing, because I think we're probably one of the best footballing teams in the league, in my opinion. You know, and we've just got to make sure we've got to be a little bit more streetwise. We've got to understand that it's a game of 90 minutes, not 45 minutes. There's no panic stations from me. I know which lane Fflint are meant to be in on the motorway. We crossed over to the middle lane last year. We enjoyed it. We scared a few teams. That's where we want to be, in our middle lane. And now if we can keep, you know, Alex will be back now. We need 2 more bodies in. Obviously make sure the window closes without us losing anyone. And then we go from there, but we won't change the way we play. It took us 4 years together.